Hey everyone, it's Bakisa. Welcome back to the Canva Cafe. If you're new here, this is your go-to spot for creative refills. I teach women how to design confidently in Canva, have fun in being creative, and actually use what they learn to grow their business or personal projects. Lately, I've been doing a little bit of reset, clearing my space and clearing my mind because it's time to get back creative. I'm joining the 75 Hard Visibility Challenge to push myself to show up again, not perfectly, just consistently. This challenge is about being visible, intentional, and creative every single day, and that's exactly what I needed. So here's a little peek at what I've been working on inside of Canva. And I also have included some of my tutorials, designs, and creative projects that keep my ideas brewing. And if you're just discovering my channel, I've included a few other tutorials that you can check out. They're evergreen, beginner-friendly, and are perfect for sparking whatever new ideas that you need. And thank you for watching the Canva Cafe, your go-to spot for creative refills where creativity is always brewing. And here's the tea. We're just getting started. Don't forget to subscribe. Love you. Bye.